Are you struggling to get your articles noticed? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be learning how to write catchy headlines using ChatGPT that are guaranteed to attract more readers. So let's get started. Let's start with the brainstorm. Let's say your article is about sustainable gardening tips. Type this topic into ChatGPT and ask it to suggest potential headlines. This will give you a basic idea of the direction you can take. Here's what I typed in my prompt right here. I need catchy headlines for an article about sustainable gardening tips. Can you help? Then send it to ChatGPT and let it generate. See, watch as ChatGPT generates multiple headline options, then take a moment to review these suggestions. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now you need to refine these suggestions. This is where we turn a straightforward headline into something more captivating. Let's see how to make these tweaks using ChatGPT's assistance. Pick one basic headline you like. For example, let's say eco-friendly and thriving essential tips for sustainable gardening. Then ask ChatGPT with this prompt like this one. Hi ChatGPT, I need to make this headline more engaging. Can you suggest some powerful synonyms for sustainable that relate to gardening and also some dynamic alternatives to tips? Then I copy and paste the headline that I want, which is this one right here. Paste it, then hit send. Here we go. So with our new keywords, we combine them into a complete new headline, which make it more catchy and more engaging. This right here, this is how ChatGPT generated. See, this not only sounds more interesting, but also implies exclusive, must-know content, encouraging more clicks. And that concludes our video on how we could write catchy headlines with ChatGPT.